Hi, I'm Tom Malero, Vice President of Marketing for Pettit Paint. Today I'll be talking about Pettit Protect High Build Epoxy Primer. Pettit Protect is a heavy-duty, two-component epoxy coating for use where maximum resistance to fresh or salt water is required. It can be used as a single-coat primer or two-coat barrier coat. Pettit Protect's high solids formula saves time and money because it allows for quicker application and fewer coats for effective protection. Pettit Protect now features improved packaging that includes useful application information and all the benefits Pettit Protect has over competitive products. Some of those benefits include a higher volume of solids that provide better protection through heavier coats without sagging or running, less solvent for reduced solvent smell, and overall less labor and application tools are required. Let's take a look at this new packaging and see what's inside. At the top is a quart of the catalyst. Right below it is a cardboard insert to keep both the quart and gallon in place and protect both cans from damage in transit. Below that quart is the gallon of base material. This new packaging allows for quick unpacking and prevents spending time separating part A and part B from each other via the previously used plastic clip. As you can see, this is a large improvement in Pettit Protect's packaging. Some other notes about the box. Great time and consideration were taken when determining what should be included on the box. Here are some of the highlights. What makes Pettit Protect different? There's a great explanation of the benefits of high concentrations of mica versus the low concentrations from competitors' products, seen here. Single coat, no sand priming system instructions. This explains the proper preparation for Pettit Protect for hulls that can't be sanded per the manufacturer's recommendation or in sanding restricted areas. Also on the same panel, two-coat barrier coat application system. This is also known as a preventative maintenance of new or non-blistered hulls method. This system and pictogram illustrates the proper prep and application before and after Pettit Protect. Coverage chart. We've included a simplified breakdown of the amount of Pettit Protect needed for boat lengths from 20 to 50 feet. And last but not least, general application instructions for applying Pettit Protect, as well as application temperatures and overcoat windows. So there you have it, the new packaging for gallons of Pettit Protect, available now.